Welcome to Cucina in the Desert, Fire Food and Friends, number 3. Bring me the snacks.
Beef heart.
Very good.
Alex here from AC Smokeyard. Right now I'm doing some miso chicken and rub chicken over open fire on the Camp rotisserie.
What's your favorite so far?
Surprisingly, it's the chicken.
Yes?
Chicken is incredible.
Hey everyone, excited to be here again at Fire Food and Friends. Thanks to Cucina Del Sul, Nomad Trailer and Carney Store for making this happen again. This time it's even bigger, and for that reason we're cooking more stuff. Thanos 8 is coming with a menu that has the paella with the flank and the chorizo and artichokes.
We smoked some tri-tips. We've got about 8 tri-tips, about 12 kilos of chuck. This was smoked for 7 hours. We hung tomahawk on the asador. We're doing short ribs as well as bone marrow and grandmother's potato salad. See, this is what happens when it's cooked perfectly. Pineapple for the lady. Wow. Over salted, spicy, undercooked broccoli, because we don't do vegetables very well.
I'm Fred, I'm from Smoking Beards. Today is my first time in the desert. I'm super stoked to join the team today. With my friend Tarek here.
We always loved having Fred. Always.
Tonight we're gonna do the brostini. We're gonna have a sourdough bread. I have roasted pine seeds with our signature rub, the original, and I'm just in the process of caramelizing the onions in preparation for the sandwich. Then there is the secret ingredient,
Yes, which I know of.
the livradoux French raclette.
The raclette. I mean raclette. Raclette in the desert. Who does that?
Because why not?
Because why not?
My name is Satyan. We run a supper club called Slice of Life. You can find us on Instagram. We're called Slice of Life DXP, and we do curated pizzas and cocktails. We host twice a month at our house, so look forward to hosting everybody. I'm very excited to be here. Would you guys like a trial run of the bread only?
Why not?
We have 2 lambs. One we're gonna stuff with vine leaves and kusa, and the other one we're not gonna stuff with anything. Okay?
Hey everybody, my name is Ramsey and I'll see you on the grill. You can find me on Instagram.
We got beautiful hot dogs here going. Look at that. See this? Just like Dodger Stadium. LA Dodgers, a tribute to them.
Very from Haya's kitchen. Let's see what she's got for us. I love opening. This is like also, yeah, Wayley.